Hello my lovely people, what's up, welcome to my new video, my another video vlogmas. Yes, so today we are on vlogmas 10. Yeah, it's an 10th episode. So welcome guys, make sure you subscribe, like and share if you bump onto this video. So this is African Jojo, the YouTube channel African Jojo. So my name is Josephine, yeah, aka Jojo, aka Jojo's World. Yeah, all those are my names. You can check me out there on Jojo's World News. That's my main channel, and this is my second channel, African Jojo. So today's video I want to take you to make breakfast with me. I'm going to make the breakfast for my boss. Yeah, I'm a Ugandan living here in Qatar, working as a housemaid in Qatar. So guys, stick around as we go to make breakfast for my boss. Hope you enjoy the video. As you tap on the dollar sign, you become my member, and and you super chat me if you enjoy this video. Hope you enjoy. Yeah, because of course you have to enjoy the way you have to enjoy the breakfast, because it's so yummy. I'm going to make it's so yummy and delicious. I'm going to make eggs. Yeah, I'm going to make the vegetable eggs. Is it vegetable? Shakshuka. They no, not shakshuka. Yeah, like those shakshuka is, I think, is for Europeans or South Africans. They call it shakshuka or what? But I heard it from some American. They call it shakshuka, but it's not. I'm going to make eggs. I just crack them and put them on the pan, and then I put the vegetables on the top, the toppings. Then I put cheese up. How do you call that? I don't know that. I don't know the name, but that's the breakfast that my boss really like to eat. She enjoys it so much. So hope you enjoy it, guys. Yeah, it's morning here. It's morning. So I just wake up. No, it's like 2 hours I finished wake up. So I'm just here recording before I do my work. Yeah, you know, you guys, I have to first serve you. I have to first serve you before I finish my work. Yeah. So guys, let's go and see how this breakfast goes. And if you're watching, please also grab your plate, or grab your cup of tea as we I'm making, or you start. Don't feel so hungry. Grab your coffee, grab your tea, or you can grab your water. You can take some water, okay? Love you guys. Let me show you around how it looks like in the morning. How it looks like. Oh, there is some big guy. How it looks like in the morning. Oh wow, there is some big car here. So that's how it looks like. The sunshine is already out. Yeah, guys. That's how it looks like in the morning here in Qatar. The sunshine is already out at 9 a.m. Wow. Oh yeah, so guys, let's go to the kitchen and make some breakfast. hearty. Yeah, that is our breakfast. Yeah, that's how it looks like. Ooh, yummy, 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 yummy. You can see that. You can see that. You can even make for your babies, your kids when they're going to school breakfast. A simple breakfast for your kids, your husband, your wife. Yeah, yeah. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. Yeah, turn on the notification bell so that you don't forget whenever I upload, whenever I upload any video or live or what. Make sure you be the first to know, be the first to see. Yeah, guys, that's it's like a pizza, guys. You see that? You see that? It's like a pizza. You can see the results. I love you guys. Ciao, ciao.